Can dreams become reality? Well, it did for me when on a very random morning I received an invite from Google India. In this video, you will see me attend my very first YouTube event, and I will also share my experiences along with random rant and food and shopping. So let's begin.
Good morning, I'm Shimli and welcome back to my channel. Now this is a very special day for me. This can be a very ordinary normal सा day for somebody else, but it is a very special day for me because आज मैं जाऊंगी to my first ever YouTube event. So this is the YouTube Creators Collective event which will be happening here in Gurgaon, जो कि मेरे घर से बहुत ही ज्यादा पास है. I think somewhere I have manifested this one because ever since I shifted here back in 2022, every time I used to pass by this office, this Google office, every time I used to think कि I don't know when I'll be able to go inside where I want to go. तब तो मैं इतना regular videos बनाती भी नहीं थी. I don't know, I just wanted to go inside. I wanted to see what happens in this YouTube event जो कि Google offices में होता है. So this is something very special for me, and everybody in my family is also very excited, and I'm also kind of getting late already. 8:30 I think, and I need to reach there by 10. So I also need to fix my face because I'm not keeping well for the past few days. I also have pimples all over my face, and ये वाला मैंने तो खुद ही फोड़ दिया है 2-3 दिन पहले. But because of this sickness, my face is looking थोड़ा सा dull, so need to fix that situation. Anyway, I will start getting ready without much blabbering, and then I'll talk to you guys.
Okay, so enough of that resting bitch face. Let's move forward. I was extremely overwhelmed with joy and nervousness, and I was overthinking as always. I was still not feeling that great, but I took my medicine and I prayed कि सब अच्छा जाए. The 19-year-old Shimli used to watch these American YouTubers going to these events, and never in my wildest dream I thought कि I'll get this opportunity. I know this is just an event for someone, but somewhere this made me feel more motivated, and I want to work harder and make this thing work. I don't know when that will happen, but I will make it happen. Anyway, we had to show our invite, and then we were allowed to go inside to the main area. Obviously, it was the Google office, so I had to try their food. I liked the breakfast more than the lunch because they had croissant and muffins, and I have a major sweet tooth. There was also this crossword thing where we had to find our channel name, but unfortunately I could not find mine. Post that, the event started and we were given these bracelets, and I got this unicorn one which is so cute.
Hello everybody, good morning. Thank you so much YouTube for this opportunity.
Hi, how are you doing today? अभी तक बट आपको ही फिगर आउट करना है कि मैं कैसे इन दोनों चीज का इंटरसेक्शन पाऊँ, क्योंकि we have to understand कि बहुत सिंपल.
And that's not the best part yet. जिसका सबसे best masterpiece
The
बनेगा.
personal branding session was extremely informative. I just wish कि it was bit longer. Post that हमें कुछ slime से बनाना था, kind of like an art and craft activity. I made this purple and green slime which I have with me still. I liked it, but कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा creative थे and they made slime से tooth and smiley which were also very cute. Post that it was lunch break, and with that the event came to an end. इवेंट तो ख़त्म हो गई, बट इन द इवनिंग वी डिसाइडेड टू गो आउट फॉर शॉपिंग. वी वेंट टू लाजपत नगर फर्स्ट, एंड देन वी वेंट टू सिलेक्ट सिटी, had some good food, and Ma tried cinnamon for the first time and she loved it. I love it a lot, and you should also try.
it's been quite a few days, not days actually, weeks. I did not get a chance to sit and talk about my experience of the event. I was sick. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी हो रही थी, and as you saw, I was not able to speak properly. So that is one reason. And second, I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा procrastinate कर रही थी. Anyway, so with that being said, this was my first ever Google event, and it was a very overwhelming experience overall. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैं एक्साइटेड, नर्वस एंड आई डोंट नो मैं क्या फील कर रही थी. आई कैन नॉट पिन पॉइंट कि मैं क्या फील कर रही थी, बट आई वॉज जस्ट सो एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल्सो नर्वस एट द सेम टाइम कि वहाँ जाके लोग कैसे होंगे, हाउ दे विल रिएक्ट. एंड मैंने यूट्यूब में वीडियोज पोस्ट करना बहुत सालों पहले चालू तो कर दिया था, बट आई वॉज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. एंड इवन मैंने अपने सारे पुराने वीडियोज कुछ आर्काइव भी कर दिए, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक दैट दोज वीडियोज डिस्क्राइब मी एनी मोर. शुरू में मैं बस स्किन केयर वीडियोज पोस्ट करती थी. दैट टाइम जब मैंने ये चैनल चालू किया था बैक in 2016, I thought ki I don't know, it was just a creative outlet for me. I am a very shy, introvert, socially awkward person generally. So मुझे ये लगता था कि I don't want to put my name out there, and my name is very uncommon. Shimli is a very uncommon name. एक दो सर्च में ही मिल जाता है my social accounts. So I thought कि I'll hide away. That was the whole reason behind it कि मैंने अपना चैनल का नाम Liz से रखा था, Lisa being my nickname. Also, I'll be ranting a lot. I started posting regularly last year October se, because I thought that now it's high time that I take this thing seriously, because this is what makes me happy. If you meet me in person, you won't see me talking this much, because I'm not like this. And I have so many future plans with this channel, or maybe I want to make another channel because I have so many hobbies. I also got this tote bag, so I thought that I'll show what's inside. As I mentioned that it's been 2 weeks. The slime is no more in good condition. This is special for me because इसमें ये YouTube Creator Collective की lanyard है. I wanted for so long. This is the most precious thing. This is a very cute letter from YouTube. The next thing is this very cute bracelet. ये आपने देखा होगा vlog में. There was a stand जहाँ से मैं लेना था. This has a unicorn charm. I hope कि visible हो रहा है camera में. So this is a light. It has like, share and subscribe. I don't know how this works. Comes with this. Let's see. Bing. Why is this thing not working? Don't know, you can't. Cute. नहीं कर रहा है. This is supposed to light up. कुछ भी बनी हुई है. And I'm trying to click. Oh, this I think will charge. So we'll figure this out soon. And then we have these patches. Together we rise. I depend on me. I actually depend on me. Women can. And this cute tote bag. I love tote bags. And now that I have unboxed everything, I can flaunt this YouTube tote bag. I hope that everybody asks me कि ये कहाँ से मिला, and then I can say, oh my god, I got it from YouTube Creator Collective. And I'm so grateful to myself that I finally took this decision of creating content. And yeah, that was it for my videos. Expect more videos from me. I still don't know what my niche is, or maybe I am someone who loves doing so many good things that I want to create this channel as my memory box. And that was it for my video, and this I think is the most rawest video. Bye. Abhi almost it's 3 in the morning. I feel so dumb. It has this button. I don't know why मैंने सुबह नहीं देखा था. And this is how this looks.